I keep a ball of aluminum foil in the bathroom, and everyone is always surprised why. Tear off a piece of foil, crumple it up, and take it to the bathroom too. I always keep it there. It's a brilliant trick I stumbled upon online by accident. Aluminum foil is a cheap and easily accessible product. Think you know all its uses? I'll surprise you with this one. By using this hack, you'll save a lot of time, nerves, and money. Aluminum foil can effectively replace detergents, brushes, and rags. Roll up a piece of aluminum foil into a ball, wet it, and gently rub it on the faucet. In just a few moments, the faucet will look unrecognizable. The soap and mineral buildup will disappear, and the faucet will shine like new. Don't worry about the foil scratching delicate surfaces because it won't. The best part is, you don't need special cleaners or detergents. Just a ball of aluminum foil, some water, and a few minutes. The result is truly impressive, like after a professional cleaning. Don't believe it? Try it yourself in your bathroom.